A prosecutor financially backed by billionaire George Soros is now confronted with additional allegations of negligence and misconduct. These accusations come amid an already scandal-ridden tenure for the controversial figure, raising questions about the effectiveness of Soros-backed prosecutors and their potential impact on the criminal justice system. In recent years, Soros has provided financial support to a number of progressive candidates running for district attorney positions across the United States. His aim is to transform the criminal justice system by promoting reform-minded policies that emphasize rehabilitation over punishment and address systemic inequalities. Many of these candidates have successfully assumed office, but their tenures have not been without challenges and controversies. The prosecutor in question, whose identity remains undisclosed, has faced a series of scandals since taking office. The controversies surrounding their conduct and the effectiveness of their policies have raised concerns about their ability to effectively carry out their duties as a prosecutor. The latest allegations against the Soros-backed prosecutor accuse them of negligence and misconduct. Specifically, they're charged with failing to meet the required professional standards for their role and engaging in unethical behavior. These accusations have generated additional scrutiny and criticism, further fueling concerns about the prosecutor's conduct. Critics argue that the pattern of behavior exhibited by the Soros-backed prosecutor is reflective of a broader issue with the candidates supported by Soros. They contend that many of these candidates have faced similar controversies during their time in office, which calls into question the overall effectiveness of Soros' efforts to reform the criminal justice system. On the other hand, supporters of Soros-backed prosecutors argue that the controversies surrounding these candidates are the result of resistance to change and attempts to maintain the status quo. They maintain that the push for criminal justice reform is essential to addressing deep-seated inequalities, and that the challenges faced by these prosecutors are not indicative of their overall effectiveness. It remains to be seen how these recent allegations will impact the Soros-funded prosecutor's future in office. If the accusations are found to be true, it could lead to the prosecutor's removal from office and potential legal consequences. Additionally, it may tarnish the reputation of other Soros-backed candidates and hinder ongoing criminal justice reform efforts. The controversy surrounding the Soros-funded prosecutor is part of a larger debate about the role of money in politics and the influence of wealthy individuals on the electoral process. Critics argue that Soros' financial support for these candidates is an attempt to exert undue influence over the criminal justice system, while supporters maintain that he is using his resources to promote much-needed reform. The ongoing scandal involving the Soros-backed prosecutor and the mounting allegations of negligence and misconduct raise important questions about the effectiveness of these candidates and the broader implications of Soros' criminal justice reform efforts. As the situation unfolds, it will be crucial to closely examine the outcomes of these policies and the actions of these prosecutors to better understand the potential impact on the criminal justice system.